the mast installation video. Inspect the site before deployment. Make sure there are no overhead or buried power lines. Make sure the ground is able to be staked. Unpack the accessories box. On unpacking the box, you will find hammer, pegs, base plate with cup, nail puller, nails, guy ropes, foot pump and toolkit. On unpacking the mast box, you will find the mast and its adapter. Fix the base plate on firm and flat ground with the help of nails. With the help of guy marker, fix 3 pegs at 120 degree apart on the circumference of the circle. Draw a circle ground with enough radius for the stability of mast. Drive the pegs into the ground using a hammer. Attach the adapter to the mast and ensure the tightening of the screws. Lift and fix the mast on the base cup, which is fixed to the base plate. Connect green marked guy ropes to the mast using S-hook according to color marked on the mast. And connect the other end of the guy ropes to the bottom hole available at the pegs. Tighten the guy ropes by pulling rope through the guy tensioner. Use spirit leveler for checking the position of the mast and ensure that the bubble of the leveler is at the center. We can loosen or tighten the guy ropes based on the bubble, which should be in the center of the spirit leveler. Now, attach the blue guy ropes to the top of the mast. And tighten the base cup screw using the Allen key. Wrap the Teflon tape on the nozzle . Fix the nozzle with the mast attached. Attach the foot pump to the nozzle and open the lever of the nozzle. Now, pumping of the foot pump. On pumping the air, the top section of the mast will start erecting. Tighten the top section using thumb screw on click sound. Use the thumb screw to loosen the next lower section. Continue the air in and repeat the process until the mast is fully erected. Tighten the top guy ropes with pegs, top holes to secure the mast. Retraction of mast. Loose the thumb screws of the bottom section and release the air pressure. Repeat the process until the mast is fully retracted. Remove the head load, if any, from the top of the mast. Remove the guy ropes. Open the nozzle and loosen the base plate screw. Tighten the thumb screws and gently remove the mask. Remove the pegs using a hammer. Remove the nails using a nail puller and pack the mask and the accessories in their respective boxes.